Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by fixing the essentials so you can measure gains, run a crawl and resolve 4xx/5xx errors immediately. Then create a keyword map that matches user intent to specific pages. This prevents keyword cannibalization and guides content work. Once done, secure the site with HTTPS and prioritize mobile-first rendering because search engines rank mobile performance. Also make sure to add sitemap, XML, and robots, TXT, so crawlers index your improvements quickly. Now focus on on-page factors and content quality. Craft H1 and H2 that reflect the target keyword and user intent, and write meta titles that increase click-through rate. At the same time, expand pages where necessary, aim for depth not fluff, and add schema markup to signal entities and improve rich results. Once done, connect pages with strategic internal links to spread authority and improve discovery, while refining UX. Faster pages and unobtrusive UI keep users and reduce bounce. Finally, deploy changes and measure impact. Configure GA4 and Search Console so you can see impressions, clicks, and user behavior. Once data flows, iterate, /B test titles and CTAs, and refresh low-performing pages on a 30 to 90-day cadence. If traffic falls or pages disappear, troubleshoot immediately. Inspect indexing, crawl budget, and Search Console messages for manual actions. If problems persist, rerun a full crawl and isolate misconfigured redirects or.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.